Hey TikTok fan, if you have been reposting videos but now want a fresh start, you might be wondering how to delete all your reposts at once. Unfortunately, TikTok doesn't have a built-in feature in for this, but don't worry, I will show you the quickest way to clear your repost history. Let's jump in. First, let's quickly understand that TikTok treats repost like regular interactions, and they show up in your activity feed but not directly on your profile. This means you will need to remove them individually. The most straightforward method is first open TikTok and tap the profile icon on from the bottom right. Then go to activity tab where you can see post. This is this one, it's activity. Now tap each repost video, then tap the share button and hit remove repost. You will see your post here. Repeat this for each video. If you have a lot of repost, this can be a bit tedious. Unfortunately, there's no bulk delete option yet, but if you are tech savvy, you can try using third-party automation tools or scripts. Just be careful, as this can sometimes violate TikTok's term of service. Going forward, consider being selective with repos to avoid the hassle of mass deleting later. TikTok might add a bulk delete feature in the future. But until then, a little planning goes a long way. Alright, that is for today as guide. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe.